Sceptre gaming monitors include a built-in crosshair feature that displays a targeting reticle directly on your screen. This hardware-level overlay works with any game or application, providing a consistent aiming reference. To enable the crosshair, first access your monitor's on-screen display menu by pressing the menu button located on the back or side of your Sceptre monitor. Once the OSD menu appears, use the directional buttons to navigate to the Gaming or Game Mode section. This is where all gaming-related features are located. In the Gaming section, look for the Crosshair or Reticle option. Toggle this setting to On to enable the crosshair feature on your monitor. Once enabled, you can customize your crosshair. Most Sceptre monitors offer 4 to 8 different crosshair styles, ranging from simple dots to complex reticles. You can also adjust the crosshair color to match your preference and game environment. Common options include red, green, blue, and white. Many newer Sceptre models also allow you to adjust the crosshair opacity, making it more or less transparent based on your gaming needs. Some newer Sceptre models feature dedicated gaming buttons for quick access. Press and hold the gaming button for 3 seconds to cycle through crosshair options without entering the full menu. Once configured, your crosshair will appear on screen during gameplay. The hardware-based overlay ensures consistent performance with zero input lag, giving you a competitive advantage in any game. When your crosshair isn't appearing on your Sceptre monitor, there are several troubleshooting steps you can follow to resolve the issue. First, verify that your specific Sceptre monitor model actually supports the crosshair feature. Not all Sceptre monitors include this gaming enhancement. Check for available firmware updates. Sceptre regularly releases firmware updates that can add or enhance crosshair functionality on existing monitors. Ensure that the correct input source is selected on your monitor. The crosshair feature may only work with specific input connections. If problems persist, try resetting your monitor to factory settings. This can resolve configuration conflicts that prevent the crosshair from appearing. Once your crosshair is working, you can optimize its settings for better gaming performance. Let's explore the key customization options. The crosshair should now appear on your monitor screen as a targeting overlay. This hardware-level crosshair works independently of your games. Start with default settings and experiment with different crosshair colors. Choose colors that contrast well with your typical game environments for maximum visibility. Adjust the crosshair opacity to balance visibility with minimizing distraction. Too bright can be distracting, while too faint may not provide adequate aiming assistance. For optimal results, practice with your crosshair settings in training modes before competitive play. Regularly update your monitor firmware to access the latest crosshair improvements and features. Different game environments may require different crosshair colors and opacity settings. Dark games benefit from bright crosshairs, while bright environments work better with darker or more transparent crosshairs. Remember to save your preferred crosshair settings once you find the optimal configuration. This ensures consistent performance across all your gaming sessions.